Good morning. Getting ready for an open house. I thought I would share with you some of the information that we use. We're shooting this, I am, with the hover drone, so there's some air movement, so we'll do the best that we can. First thing I want to point out is you should have something to hold all of your handouts like a folder. This folder was sponsored by Delaware Moving and Storage. We allowed them to put their name on the bottom. They paid for it, so why not? Ask one of your suppliers or contractors to do that. Amortization sheets on the back, pockets inside, and the cover is about what our customers say about us. So it's why we do what we do. And these are quotes. So if you want to know more about where to get these format or anything, just let me know. Inside, one of the things I always put is a moving checklist. This is one of the best. It says when you start moving, here's some free tips. It starts at 2 months out, 1 month, 2 weeks, 1 week before moving, the day before, moving day, arrival day, and after the move, the important thing. Your information goes on the bottom because they will throw away your business card. This, however, has value. They will not throw that away, or not as quickly. I have a sheet in here from the sellers, that the sellers have provided the information on what they've done to the property since they've owned it, possibly what it costs, the year that things were installed. So that goes in there as well. And it's easy enough to create a one-page flyer anymore, especially from your MLS or something. And print in color, make sure you have the color pictures, not black and white. Everything's better in color. Also, most MLSs today will allow us to create an industry watch of some kind, maybe for the county. But even though you do that, you want to make it local because we all know that real estate is local. Take a rule, which I did in a highlighter, and show them that in this zip code, if they were to wait 1 year, prices would go up about 11% if they continue to go up the way they're going up right now. So on a $589,000 property, you get the opportunity to pay about $60,000 more by waiting a year. Just a thought. And lastly, make sure that you have the clipboard, because whoever has the clipboard is in control. I like clipboards. You guys know that probably. Anyway, on the clipboard, you want to be able to take their name, email address, and best day time phone number. Here's how to get it 100% every time. When they walk in, greet them. Hi, folks. How you doing today? Get them involved in dialogue. Great day, isn't it? Something. Would you like to look around? They're like, wow, they're not going to try to register us. And you don't. Please have a look around. By the way, do you have a buyer's packet? What's a buyer's packet? Well, this is a buyer's packet, and you talk about some of the things that are in it. And before you leave, make sure you stop by, Mr. and Mrs. Potential Buyers, and I'll have one for you. Have a look around, and they will come back. And when they do, you say, let me get your name correctly. And then you say, what is your email address? Not, may I have it? Don't ask questions you don't want answers to. What is your email address and the best day time phone number, and lose eye contact. Take that information down. And that's how you get 100% registration, providing something of value and get the biggest bang for your buck for your open house. Do open houses. I don't care how hot the market is. You don't want to miss the opportunity. Talk to potential sellers, maybe capture a potential buyer. So much business to do out there. I love this business, and it just gets easier when you do the basics consistently well. Mike Salvaggio, let me know if you need any help. Mike@salvaggio.com. Call me. Happy to talk real estate or about what we're doing. Take care. Hope you have a great open house.